Crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely.
You'd have to be crazy not to buy a ticket for this Altezza Qualitat Edition. It's any sane person's dream. Fitted with the 𝗏𝗏 beams engine, the 210 horsepower kicks you back every time you hit the pedal. And when that LSD kicks in, you'll be buzzing. Not on colours, on corners, of course. Do you hear the Jasma exhaust system? Woohoo! That'll barely turn heads. So for the ticket price of only $4.97, you can feel in control, locked to the road and fully aware that you're behind the wheel of something special.